What's up, weirdos? What's going on, guys? Okay, we're going to talk some Jasmy. Look at the market. Look at the bubbles, guys. Looking fantastic. You love to see it. The greenness continues. Bitcoin dominance has been going down. The total two market cap has been going up. Does this mean it's altcoin season? Quite frankly, the answer is no. Okay. What's happening is, so Bitcoin went on a monster run over the course of about a week, right? Give or take. So now Bitcoin dominance is going down because altcoins, Bitcoin is consolidating now in a range, and altcoins, we're going to get into the Bitcoin chart, so don't worry about that. Altcoins are starting to melt their way upwards, catching up to Bitcoin's current price action, right? So that is why Bitcoin dominance is going down, total two market caps going up. Because altcoins are outperforming Bitcoin right now because Bitcoin is consolidating where it is now, right? Right around $117,555, give or take. So, does that mean it's altcoin season? No, no. We're just melting upwards, catching up to Bitcoin's price action. Like I said, Bitcoin will go on another leg when it is finished this consolidation phase, which I think is going to happen very soon. And altcoins will start to consolidate at higher levels than they were 5 days ago when this started, right? Altcoin season for me, the true parabolic part of the altcoin season, we will see altcoins run up with Bitcoin over the course of the next 6 weeks, 7 weeks. Then I think we're going to see a bit of a correction through September, and then the real blow off top is going to happen October, November, followed by the end of the cycle, probably around the end of November. Same as usual, mid to end of November, cycle ends, bull runs over, down into a bear market we go. A lot of people will get misled by content creators calling it a super cycle. You'll get wrecked for listening, and we'll repeat the cycle. Some people will walk away calling it a scam. Others will just spend 4 years pissed off and aggravated because they listened to people telling them that 2026 was going to be a parabolic bull run, just like 2022 was, right? See what I did there? All right, so let's get into the market a little bit here, guys. Jasmy up 6.5% on the day, 35.8% on the week, 23.8% on the month, but down 47.5% on the year. Up one spot in rank to 93, $802 million market cap and 82 million in volume. Swiftcoin up 1.2 on the day, 25.5 on the week, 8% on the month, and 189% on the year. Down 7 spots in rank to 297, $130 million market cap and 2.99 million in volume. Where's my Onyx coin? Little XCN action, up 0.2% on the day, up 36.8% on the week, 37.6% on the month, and 1,088% on the year. Guys, over on the Patreon, we got into Onyx coin back in March of 2024. We have made monster returns on this play, guys. If you're not on the Patreon, I don't know what you're doing with your life. ZBEC down 4.7 on the day, up 6.5 on the week, down 26.7 on the month, but up 178% on the year. Down 10 spots in rank to 187, $272 million market cap and 26 million in volume. ZBEC is a fantastic DCA opportunity right now, in my opinion, but it's not financial advice. All right, let's go have a look at the Bitcoin chart, shall we? Let's see what's going on with good old be rad. So seems like we're finding a level of support right here. I put this line in as we broke through. It was support here on the 12th, was support again on the 13th. We fell back down below it on the 15th, but we ended up closing the candle above it once again. We wicked below it again today, but we're back above it again. So that level is approximately $117,400 roughly. Right? We seem to be building a support level there, which works just fine for me. If we go down to, let's go to the 8 hour. Let's go to the 8 hour. Where's my 8 hour? I got my 4 hour. Why do I not have an 8 hour on here? Oh, there it is. All right, so the 8 hour, check that out. That's looking kind of sloppy on the 8 hour. Potential, I'm sure that there will be speculation that we'll see. I mean, I don't know. This isn't. Some people will probably call this maybe a head and shoulders if this plays out, but I don't know, man. I don't know. This left shoulder right here, that's not really up. That's just sideways. It's not really a shoulder. It's just kind of sideways consolidation followed by a break to the upside. So I don't know if I would call that a head and shoulders, but I mean, who knows, right? We got also on the 8-hour, we have the moving averages are moving up nicely. Let's go down to the 4-hour, see how things are playing out. I don't know. On the 4-hour, maybe. We're using the 30-day SMA as resistance right now on the 4-hour. So yeah, we could end up coming back down. We could come back down, guys, if we go back to the daily. If this does not hold, if the support doesn't hold, then we do play out a head and shoulders. But it's not really translating to the daily time frame. That's the thing, right? But if we do lose support here, we could come back down to old all-time high here, around that $111,725. We could retest that level, but I don't think we're going to lose it, to be honest with you. But I mean, it's possible, so I got to let you know, right? I gotta let you know. I got my moonshot arrow there. So anyway, guys, continuing on, what do we have in the news today? Let's get into it. Let's have a look at what's going on. But as we always do, guys, first we got to give a quick thank you and shout out to the channel sponsor, Decent Biometric Wallet. Not your keys, not your coins, guys. They got a 2-for-1 deal right now on the biometric wallet. Simply using our link down below in the description gets you an absolutely phenomenal deal, guys. Check it out today. You can get the card wallet as well. I think they're like $5 or something. They're very, very affordable. To keep your crypto safe, it is a small price to pay. Once again, use our link. Get a fantastic deal. Check out this little clip here from none other than Donald Trump Jr. Now, the point of it doesn't really matter who's saying it if you're anti-Trump. What the message though is that Donald Trump Jr. calls on Congress to pass the Bitcoin and crypto bill legislation. He says crypto is the future. Absolutely, guys. And listen, more accurately for me, decentralized finance is going to be the biggest narrative, or one of the biggest narratives. This whole 4-year cycle so far, there's been a lot of speculation about AI being the top narrative in this cycle, or RWA and DPIN, right? Which absolutely, I love those projects. They go hand in hand with my favorite narrative, which is decentralized finance. Guys, decentralized finance is the first and foremost narrative that is going to be adopted by governments, by institutions, because it controls the money. That's where the money goes, right? That's the gears, man, of finance, right? So that's naturally going to be first and big, in my opinion. So let me know what you guys think about that. But listen up real quick, 20 seconds.
Crypto's the future. To be able to have the legislation to create those guardrails, to be able to keep that industry, this is going to be a multi-trillion-dollar industry, and it should be based here in America. America should get the tax benefits of all of that. They should have the innovation, the growth, that's strategic thinking. And so I'm super excited about that bill, because I think it's going to really make sure that America is the home of crypto and blockchain technology for the
It's just a matter of time, guys. Just a matter of time. From my understanding, I know that the vote had failed earlier today, but apparently, according to Trump, he had tweeted out earlier this evening that they are having another vote tomorrow, and they've converted a lot of people that voted against. I think 11 people that voted against it are now going to vote for it. So a new vote tomorrow most likely will pass. From my understanding, from what I read, the reason it failed today was that it didn't include the anti-CBDC bill, right? And they want that in there. So I guess we'll find out tomorrow morning, right? Continuing on, let's get into some Jasmy news, guys. All right, so is Jasmy the next big player in crypto? Recently, Jasmy has been catching the attention of traders who believe it might be poised for substantial price changes. After a spell of quiet, Jasmy seems to be gathering steam due to the technological advancements and the solid community backing. Analysts are feeling optimistic, hinting that the coin may soon break through earlier resistance levels, which would signal a bullish trend. Analysts have expressed the sentiment that Jasmy always lags behind and performs in big ways. The time is coming where 2 cents will be a thing of the past. This remark seems to echo a broader belief that Jasmy could be on the brink of a significant upswing, supported by ongoing developments and community participation. So why are partnerships crucial for Jasmy's longevity? Building partnerships with established companies can significantly bolster the long-term viability of Jasmy, especially in a market as volatile as cryptocurrencies. Collaborations with firms such as Panasonic and Vio lend credibility and expand Jasmy's applicability. Sorry, I lost myself there. For example, its partnership with Panasonic has led to the creation of a Web3 Internet of Things, or IoT, platform, integrating advanced technologies into Jasmy's ecosystem. These partnerships offer a host of advantages: credibility and trust, ties with respected companies boost Jasmy's reputation in both tech and finance, drawing in more users and investors. Technological integration. Collaborations enable the use of state-of-the-art technologies, enhancing both user experience and security. And market expansion. Aligning with established businesses opens up new markets, increased adoption, and demand for its token. As more companies and consumers engage with Jasmy's platform, it stands to reason that demand for Jasmy tokens will escalate, contributing to its long-term stability. So what tactics can startups use to weather crypto salary volatility? Fintech startups looking to handle the ups and downs tied to the crypto salaries can adopt a variety of strategies. Given the unpredictable world of cryptocurrency prices, these approaches can help ensure employees receive steady and predictable paychecks. Number one, stablecoin utilization. Paying salaries in stablecoin like USDC or USDT pegged to fiat currencies can lessen the risks of price movements. This method offers employees more stable compensation, curbing the likelihood of underpayment or overpayment. Enter also ZBEC. Just-in-time conversions. Startups can convert fiat into crypto just before payroll is issued, limiting exposure to market fluctuations on their balance sheets. This simplification aids the financial reporting and reduced volatility. Risk management. Instituting effective risk management systems, including fraud detection and other security measures, is essential when managing crypto payments. Diversifying crypto assets can further shield the company from market swings. Employee guidance. Educating employees on the best ways to use or convert their crypto payments instills trust and confidence. Providing the option of crypto payroll can accommodate employees uncomfortable with the volatility. And number five, regulatory compliance. Collaborating with established crypto payment providers can help startups navigate complex regulations, ensuring compliance and lowering operational risks. These strategies allow startups to effectively cope with the volatility of crypto salaries, creating a more stable compensation framework for their workforce. So what advantage does Japan offer Jasmy's Jasmy regulatory environment? Japan's regulatory framework is a significant factor in the adoption of Jasmy compared to other cryptocurrencies. The country has crafted a proactive and structured regulatory environment that promotes both innovation and investor protection. Key elements of Japan's regulatory landscape include early legal recognition. Japan was among the first to legally recognize cryptocurrencies as payment method, fostering stability for crypto projects like Jasmy. Strict compliance requirements. Crypto exchanges and projects must register with the Financial Services Agency and comply with strict anti-money laundering laws. The regulatory rigor enhances security and credibility, benefiting projects like Jasmy. Supporting government stance. The Japanese government's favorable view on blockchain technology creates fertile ground for innovations like Jasmy. And the ongoing regulatory evolution. Jasmy's actively refining its crypto law. Japan, is actively refining its crypto laws with plans for stricter disclosure rules and comprehensive crypto bills. These changes aim to safeguard investors and encourage innovation. And tax reforms. Upcoming reforms, including a flat 20% capital gains tax, are poised to make crypto investments more attractive, as opposed to the West, where you are still getting raked over the coals. The overall environment not only supports Jasmy, but also aligns with the needs for the blockchain industry. What are the risks of investing in speculative cryptocurrency trading? Well, we all know the risks, so I'm not going to go through that, right? We all know the risks. Be safe out there, guys. Do your own research. Do your due diligence. And personally, I stay away from meme coins for the most part. Take the odd one here or there, but make sure you do your own research. And guys, listen, if you're new to crypto, if you've never been through a bull run before, there is no shame in having your hand held from a community of people who've been through multiple bull runs and can help you navigate this space to get out of it with your profits intact. We offer one-on-one coaching calls. We offer group coaching calls as well, mentorship programs. We do micro cap gems, daily altcoin picks. We're live over there every single day. We just completed another swing trade today, closed out 40% return on that. If you're interested in swing trades, making extra profit as well, get over to the Patreon for that, guys. The link is in the description. We also do passive income opportunities. If you want to earn extra money, a lot of our Patreon members have actually left their 9-to-5s and they just do crypto full time now because of the passive income opportunities that we train you with and provide you with. So check all of that out and so much more, guys. Invest in your education in this space. That is the only way you're going to succeed. Don't lollygag your way through this space thinking that you're smarter than the market. 95% of new people in crypto either break even or don't make money because they think they're smarter than the market and then they get wrecked. Don't let that be you. Don't hold your altcoins for 4 more years till the next bull run. Get an exit strategy put in place, guys. Join today. The link is in the description. Click like if you like this video. Click subscribe if you really liked it. I'll see you guys in the next one. God bless.